Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom gradient scroll bar into your Elementor page. As you can see, I have this custom gradient scroll bar, and when I hover over it, you can see it changes its color. So let's go to your Elementor page builder, where I will show you how you can create this custom gradient scroll bar into your Elementor page. So here I am on my Elementor page. You can see I have this default scroll bar here. So for now I will change this scroll bar. So for this I will go to page settings and advanced. I will open custom CSS. By the way, you cannot add custom CSS in the Elementor free version. You have to install Elementor Pro to add custom CSS. But if you want to add custom CSS in the free version, I have a tutorial for this. You can get the link in the I button. Here first of all I will add my custom code. Now as soon as I have added my code, you can see the default scroll bar change into the custom gradient scroll bar. So here I will show you how this code works. Here is the width of this scroll bar. Let me increase it. I will make it 50 pixels. So you can see a bigger scroll bar. You can use VH here, also EM and REM, but I will use pixels here, and I will increase it to 10 pixels. Here you have the background color. This is the background color where over this scroll bar is scrolling. Let me change it to white. I will make it #FFF, and you can see the color is changed, but I will make it to 000. Here is the color of this scroller. You can add a single background color. Let me add this one. I will add a pink color. I have removed the gradient and add pink color, and you can see the scroll bar change into a static color, but I will make it gradient. Also, if you want to change the gradient color, here you have the two colors. Here I have added this color, and for the upper side I have added a transparent color. You can also change it. And here is the border radius. Under the scroller you can see a rounded corner. I have added 20 pixels. You can increase it or decrease it, or you can make it 0. So you can see a flat line here, but I think 20 is perfect here. Now I will add hover effect over it. So to add hover effect, go outside of this code and press enter. Now I will paste my hover code. Now I have added my hover code here. Don't worry about the code, you can find this code in the description below. Now when I hover over the scroll bar, you can see it changes its color. Now don't forget to update the page. After updating, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here you can see the custom gradient scroll bar, and when I hover over it, it changes color. That's how you can add custom gradient scroll bar into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.